Here we have a simple HTML button element. Notice that it has an ID attribute set to my button. This ID is unique to this element and we'll use it to reference the button in our JavaScript code later on. This CSS code block targets the button by its ID using the hash selector. We're adding some padding for size, setting a font size, and changing the cursor to indicate it's clickable. The cursor property set to pointer will give our users visual feedback that this element is interactive. Moving to JavaScript, we're selecting our button element by its ID and attaching a click event listener to it using the add event listener method. This method takes two arguments, the type of event, in this case click, and a function to be called whenever the event occurs. When the button is clicked, the anonymous function is executed, and within this function, the this keyword refers to the button that was clicked. Inside the event handler function, this is accessing the style property of the button element and setting its color property to red. This will change the text color of the button to red upon each click. It's a direct manipulation of the element's style through JavaScript, and the use of this makes our code more reusable since it directly references the clicked element. To understand the difference between this and event target, let's modify our event listener function. We'll add a parameter event and log both this and event target to the console. The event object contains information about the event, including which element it happened on. Logging this to the console will show us the button element. This in the context of an event handler function directly refers to the element the event was attached to, regardless of where the click occurred within the element. In contrast, event target refers to the element that triggered the event. In this case, if the click was directly on the button text, event target will still reference the button element, but if there were child elements within the button, event target could reference them instead. Normally they are the same, but understanding the difference can be crucial in more complex scenarios.